Okay, if the proposition P and Q and negation R and S is true, then what is the truth value of these two? So, first what we have to do is we have to analyze this, because this is the data. So, it is given that this is true. So, therefore, they have said that P and Q and negation R and S, this is said to be true. Now, if you look at this, the main connective is AND. Okay. Now, this and this is true. Now, when is AND true? Now, if you see the table, AND is true only when both are true. That means, if this AND should be true, the first component should be true, the second component also should be true. Now, again P and Q should be true. That means, this implies P and Q should be true. Okay. This will imply, now again if AND is true, both should be true. So, this will imply P is true, Q is true. Similarly, negation R and S should be true. So, similarly negation R and S should be true. Again this is AND true. So, AND is true means both should be true. So, this will imply negation R should be true, S should be true. Now, negation R is true means R should be false. So, we get P is true, Q is true, R is false, S is true. So, this is what we get from this data. Now, let us go to this. Now, we have to find what is the truth value of this and this. Okay. Now, we will go to P or R, then Q or S. Okay. Now, we will substitute. If you substitute the values now, so if you substitute the values, so P is true or R is false, then Q is true or S is true. Now, if you remember the OR table, true or false is false, then true or true is true. Sorry, true or false is true, true or false. OR is false only when both are false. For all other values, it is always true. So, true then true. So, now if you then table is here, then table true then true is true. So, therefore, we will get the answer as true. Okay. Now, if you go to this, if you go to the other one, P then Q, P then Q, then R then S. Now, we will see this truth value. Now, P is true, then Q is also true, then R is false, then S is true. Now, we will check this value. True then true, then table is here, true then true is true. So, this is true, then false then true is also true. Now, you will get true then true, that is also again true then true is true. Therefore, the answer is true and true. So, the answer is T and T. Now, this is found in option A. So, therefore, option A is the answer.